Welcome back, friends. This class is mainly focusing on the concept called abstract classes. So, what is the importance of abstract class? So, abstract class is nothing but a class which cannot be instantiated, and it can have abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods and all those things, but that class cannot be instantiated. That means we cannot call the constructor of the abstract class. So that is the main importance of the abstract class. So what is the importance of abstract class is nothing but, so we have to achieve the abstraction, so which will be used to achieve the abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but data hiding. So that can be done by using the abstract class, but it's not up to that. So the abstraction will be from 0 to 100 percentage in this, because we will be having both abstract methods and non-abstract methods in the abstract class. So fine. Now what is the syntax to create an abstract class is nothing but, so the syntax is abstract is a keyword to create abstract class. So abstract class name. So now at the same time it can have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. If it is a non-abstract method, then can be directly written like this. We can pass the parameters also if you want. So non-abstract methods will be directly implemented over here, and the abstract methods will not be implemented, just we are giving the definition of the declaration of that particular method. So the keyword is the abstract. So fine. So 5 key points that we have to learn before going to discuss about the abstract classes is, so abstract class can be first use the abstract keyword to create the abstract class. It can have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods, and so we can inherit the abstract class. Inheritance is possible with the abstract class. So fine. And we cannot instantiate any object for this, and we can create final methods that cannot be inherited to the subclasses. So fine. Now at the same time we can keep constructors and static methods also allowed. At the same time we can say that we can inherit the abstract classes also. One more point that is not listed here. Fine. Take an example. So how to write an abstract class and how to take an example. So find area is a method which can find the area for circle, rectangle, square, and pyramid, whatever it may be. For any shape we can find the area. So generally, see, suppose if I want to find the area, so I had written abstract keyword over here. Abstract class name, class is area, so which is having only one abstract method, that is find area, no implementation over here. This area class has been extended by the circle. So now once it is extended by the circle, I'm going to create an object called as radius. So inside the circle constructor, this radius value is instantiated to the r value is instantiated to the this class variable radius. So fine. Now public void find area. Find area is going to find the area of the circle, that is math.py. Math is a final class. So pi is a value. It's a constant variable, final variable, that is 3.14 into radius. Let us assume that this is a simple thing. And then class rectangle extends area. So similarly rectangle is taking length and width. So into L and W, since the variables are ambiguity is there in the variables, L and W are already declared, so this dot L equal to L, this dot W equal to W. So public void find area. So find area of rectangle is L into W. So now area equal to new circle of 10, and area is equal to new rectangle of 10 comma 20. So a dot find area, dot find area, but the implementation of the abstract class is done in the circle and rectangle, not in the abstract class. So likewise we can achieve abstraction up to some extent. So fine, I'm going to execute these programs to show how abstract class will work. So the class name is abstract keyword, class area is a method. So area 1 I'll make it as, because area is already taken as a predefined class, area 1. So abstract void find area. So no implementation for this. Fine. Now I'm going to create a class called circle, which extends area 1. Yeah, instead of that I'll write from the main method. So public class abstract class is the my class name. So public static void main string a of, yeah. Next what I can do is, so in this I'm going to create an object for the area 1. A1 comma A2 are the two objects. a1 equal to new circle of, I want to pass 10.5. Okay, at the same time a2 equal to new rectangle of 10 comma 20. Yeah, then a1 dot find area and a2 dot find area. These are the two important methods. So fine, now after creating these two things, class circle extends area 1. Yeah, now this circle is having one constructor called as circle. So I'm going to make it as a public constructor. Public, I can keep the access specifier or not required. Public circle, so which is taking the double radius. So this double radius value is a class variable. So this dot radius equal to radius. Now similarly, I'm going to find the area. So public void find area is a method. So I'm going to just print the value of area. Println of area of circle is math.py into radius into radius. So this is a simple program for a circle. Now I'm going to write the program for rectangle. Class rectangle, so which extends area 1. Yeah, so since rectangle is a already predefined class, I'm going to make it as a rectangle 1. So this rectangle 1 is also having constructor public rectangle 1 int length and int w width. So this dot l equal to l, this dot w is equivalent to w. So int l comma w, I'm going to declare two variables. Then here also I'm going to create a method public void find area. So this is going to print system dot out dot println of area of rectangle is l into w. Yeah, so simple programs I had written. So just three classes. So one is abstract class which don't have any implemented method. Those methods have been implemented in the subclasses. So fine, now if I write this program, I'm going to compile this program. So Java C abstract example dot Java, file not found, where it has saved in Java abstract class folder. So in Java abstract class abstract example.java file. Yeah, I'll check it once again. Yeah, cd double dot cd space abstract class Java C abstract example.java. So the error is new circle of 10.5. So abstract class is public, should be declared in a file named abstract class.java. Error cannot find symbol a1 equal to new circle of 10.5. Yeah, fine. So take an example. So it should be saved as abstract example.java. Sorry. Yeah, it is an abstract example. Yeah, fine. So only one error is there. That error is new circle. So circle spelling is wrong here. Yeah, there are no errors in the program now. So Java abstract example I'm going to execute. So area of circle is 346.36 because 10.5 I had given, and area of rectangle is 10 into 20, that is 200. So this program is working properly. So this is one example that can be given for the abstract class. So the same example I'm going to type here for your reference. So this is the simple example of the abstract class. Now I'm going to change. So I'm going to create different variations of this program. So now take an example of, so I have one bank. Sorry, I wanted to take loan from the bank. So each bank will maintain some different interests. So let us assume that I wanted to take home loan. So bank is my abstract class. So fine, I want to know the interest of rate of interest. Get ROI, that is rate of interest. So that is a abstract method. So which will be in the form of double. So which is going to return double value. So fine. So now I'm going to check what is the class SBI, State Bank of India, which extends bank. Fine. There are no constructors and everything. Nothing is there. Nothing is needed. Public. So which is going to return double get ROI. So now my bank of the rate of the interest is I'm going to return some value. So just return some value. Return some what is the value? Rate of interest of SBI will be, let us assume that for house loan it is 7.5. And I'm going to the HDFC. HDFC is taking around 7.9. So extends bank. So fine. Now I'm going to find the rate of interest. Get ROI. So the it's a double return type. So now the value of rate of interest is 7.9. So now I wanted to find the rate of interest of a particular bank. So that can be done by the main class. So this is abstract example 1. So how see how nicely I'm changing the program for your convenience. Yeah. So now bank B is equivalent to new SBI bank, and bank HDFC is equivalent to new HDFC bank. Let us assume that this is also variable called as SBI. Yeah. Now I wanted to print the rate of interest. System.out.println SBI ROI is SBI dot get ROI, and system.out.println HDFC ROI is HDFC dot get ROI. So this is a simple program. Abstract example 1.java. So I'm going to compile it first. There are no errors. Java abstract example 1. So anyways, I'll execute once again. Yeah, example spelling I had written wrong. Yeah, fine. The rate of interest of SBI is 7.5 and the rate of interest for HDFC is 7.9. So now you can write a program like suppose you can make it as a suppose if my loan value is 30 lakhs. So what is the rate of interest with SBI? What is the rate of extra amount that I'm paying with HDFC? That you can for 30 years. So or for 20 years, you can make a program like that. You can write the program like that also. So now this is the another example of the abstract class. Now at the same time, abstract classes can have that means, yeah, one second, I'll give that program as well. Sorry, first I'll open this sorry. Up to find area it has copied. I'll make a new class also. So this is the complete program. First sample program. So this is abstract example 1. Example 1 also I'm opening. So this is example 1. Now I'm writing example 2. So another example, simple example I'm going to give. How to create constructors within the abstract classes. So take an example. I'd like to instantiate abstract class. So some dummy program. Let us assume abstract example 2.java. abstract class some dummy. So what I'm going to say is I can create a constructor over here. So this constructor value I can say that system.out.println I'm in abstract class constructor. Yeah, fine. So I'm going to create some draw method. Just I wanted to specify I'm drawing. So then I'm going to create another method, public void dummy method. This is going to say that system.out.println I am in abstract dummy method. So now at the same time here I'm going to do one more thing. So this is a class called as circle, which extends dummy. So I'm going to create one method called as a draw method of return type called as void. So what it is doing, just I'm going to print system.out.println drawing circle. So I'm going to clear the remaining part. So public class abstract example 2. So I'm going to create a yeah. So what is that? Dummy equal to new circle of dummy dot draw. At the same time I can make it as a dummy dot dummy also. Yeah. So what will happen now? I'm going to compile this program. So what is that? Class circle is not abstract and doesn't override abstract method draw. Yeah, it should be public double draw, not it is a wide draw. Yeah, there are no errors now. See, the return type and everything should be same whenever you are creating abstract, overriding the abstract method. So now Java abstract example 2, I'm in abstract class constructor. So whenever I called circle constructor, automatically abstract class constructor also have been called. And then whenever I'm calling dummy.dummy, then abstract method in abstract class dummy method is there that gets executed. And whenever I'm calling dummy.draw, so then this method got executed, which is implemented for the abstract method, which is implemented for the overridden abstract class, extended abstract class. Otherwise it's a overridden method. So now this way what I would like to say that we can create the constructors and we can create the methods and static methods also in this. See, suppose if I'm going to create a static method directly here, public void dummy, so or simply I can make dummy.dummy. So it's not possible, however, yeah, anyways it's static method only. This is possible, yeah, because I'm in a static method only. So this is static void main, so that's why from static method I can call the static methods. So that's what I can say is in abstract class I can create methods, static methods, and I can create the constructors as well. So this statement I'd like to specify. And one more last example. Save as. So abstract example 3.java. Now, so what I'm going to create is abstract. I'm going to make it as abstract class abstract. So which is let us assume that it's not an abstract class. Now abstract void draw. Let us assume that this is a abstract class extending. So example 3. So this will be abstract abs equal to new circle of. So simply abs dot draw. So what you are expecting this out of this program? So this program will give you anything correct output? No, because so see example 3.java. So it throws that abstract is not abstract abstract is a class. So abstract is a class which is not an abstract and doesn't override abstract method draw. So if it is not abstract class, you cannot write any abstract methods inside the class. So that also I wanted to specify. So what I wanted to specify is class temp. Suppose if you had written any abstract method like this, abstract void method 1, this part is invalid. So all the things are covered or not, you can check. So we have learned how to use the abstract keyword, and we had learned how to keep abstract and non-abstract methods inside the abstract class, and we had seen it cannot be instantiated. Final class you can check anyhow. So constructors we have explained, and static methods I explained, normal methods also I explained. So everything has been discussed for the abstract classes. This is the clear picture of abstract class in Java. So thank you friends, thank you for listening. So hope you enjoyed this class. So and I'll try to keep all the programs in the drive, and I'll share the link in the description. Kindly go through that notes also, so it may be helpful for you. Keep on watching my videos. I'll try to give best in Java. Thank you, and like, subscribe if you are liking the videos.